For first lecture we are going to study। तो जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इस लेक्चर को देखना चाहते हैं पढ़ना चाहते हैं वो हमसे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं। तो चलिए बॉस हम लोग क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्लास स्टार्ट होने से पहले हम लोग कुछ स्टूडेंट से कनेक्ट होंगे। वी आर वेटिंग फॉर फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स। तो थोड़ा सा वेट कर लें, नहीं तो स्टार्ट हम लोग हो चुके हैं ना। ओके, सीक्वेंस। व्हाट इज सीक्वेंस? A successive number following some pattern। Okay, so sequence का definition। तो सेटअप में टाइम लग रहा है, कोई बात नहीं। Sequence, a succession of numbers like T1, T2, T3, dot dot dot, following some definite rule is called sequence। Okay, this is called sequence, like 7, 9, 11, 13, 15। One is this example, second is 8, 10, 12, dot dot dot। This is this has difference between hello Bhavya। So difference between numbers equal to 2. So it is following some definite pattern. Yes, difference between numbers equal to 2. Okay, so this is sequence. If you talk about series, the topic name is sequence and series. So series is something, series, a sequence, a specific sequence, a specific sequence present in the form of addition or subtraction. Present in the form of addition or subtraction. ओके, एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं बॉस. 2 प्लस 4 प्लस 6 प्लस 8 प्लस डॉट 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 2n. Okay, so this is a sum. Yes, so this sum is available in the form of addition. So this is series. This is series, and series is defined by its Tn terms. This is decided by its Tn. Okay, like if you say here the Tn term is what? 2 to the 4. 2n is the Tn term. So we can say the Tn term is this. And if you remember summation of Tn, n equal to 1 to n is what? Summation of 2n, n equal to 1 to n. This is what? Series summation of series. Okay, this is representation. Okay, moving ahead, we are solving nth term is given. So we can consider this as series. So we have to write the sequence of this thing. So n equal to 1, it is minus 2 to the power 1 divided by minus 1 plus 2. So you can see that it is minus 2. First term is this one, n equal to 2. You can find n equal to 2 very easily. Minus 2 to the power 2 whole divided by minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. This is 4 by 3. You can say that this is T2. N equal to 3. Minus 2 to the power 3 whole divided by minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2. This is minus 8 upon 1. This is T3. Similarly, if you go with N4, we are just showing some examples. Yes, minus 2 to the power 4 whole divided by minus 1 to the power 4 plus 2. This is 16 by 3, which is T4. So sequence is minus 2, 4 by 3, minus 8, 16 by 3. This is dot, dot, dot. It will keep on going. Real sequence. Real sequence meaning sequence sequence having all the terms falling into real number. All the terms falling into real number. This is real sequence. Like example, if you want to take example, अगर आप example लेना चाह रहे हो, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. So this will keep on going. So this is real sequence. No, we can say that all the numbers all the numbers in the sequence are real. In the sequence in the sequence are subset of real number. Okay, this is it. Now we have finite sequence, infinite sequence. A sequence consisting of finite terms. A sequence consisting of a finite number of terms. A finite number of terms. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say that in the given sequence in the given sequence in the given sequence total terms are 6. Infinite sequence, a sequence which consists of infinite numbers of terms. Example 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will go dot 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 infinite numbers of counts. Now we are coming with progression. Okay. Now we are coming with progression. Refers to sequence or series. To sequence or series. Refers to sequence or series. It may be finite or infinite. Example: refers to sequence or series, finite or infinite type. So sequence, it may be sequence 5, 6, 7, 8, dot, 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 or you can say 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, dot, 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 n plus 1. Okay, this goes this way. Okay, arithmetic progression. So a progression, a progression in which every successive terms are added with the definite every preceding terms are added with a definite term to get the successive term. Every preceding terms every preceding terms are added with definite d to get to preceding terms are added with the definite d to get successive terms. Okay. Every preceding terms are added with the definite D to get successive terms. Example, now we have 5, 6, 7, 8. It will go dot, 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 dot. Okay. So we are adding D equal to 6 minus 5 equal to 1 to every preceding term to get successive term. Okay. Now we are on nth term. So nth term of an AP. Nth term of AP. So T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Okay. T3 equal to T2 plus D, which is T1 plus 2D. T4 is T1 plus 3D. Keep on going dot dot dot. We can say that if it is 4, we are getting 3. If it is n, can we say it is T1 plus n minus 1 into T? Can we say this thing? Yes, हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं. हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि nth टर्म क्या होगा सर. तो nth टर्म इस तरह से हम लोग लिख पा सकते हैं. ओके. तो अब हम जब क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करेंगे तो कुछ क्वेश्चन मैं बता दूंगा, कुछ क्वेश्चन आपको खुद से करने हैं. कुछ क्वेश्चन मैं बता दूंगा, कुछ क्वेश्चन आपको खुद से करने हैं. तो ये जो गिवन सीक्वेंस है, पहला नंबर 4 है, दूसरा 7 है, तीसरा 10 है. ओके. पहला 4 है, दूसरा 7 है, दूसरा 10 है, चौथा 13 है और लास्ट टर्म 82 है. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स निकालने हैं. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स निकालने हैं. तो हम लोग को ये पता है टी एन इक्वल टू T1 प्लस n माइनस वन इंटू डी। अब डी निकालना है तो हम लोग T2 माइनस T1 से कर सकते हैं, जो कि 3 के बराबर हो। ओके कृष्णा, विल गेट। तो ये 3 आ रहा है। अब हमें T1 जो पहला इक्वेशन था, ये दूसरा था। अब तीसरा में Tn इज इक्वल टू 82, Tn इक्वल टू 82 और T1 इक्वल टू 4, कुछ इस तरह का है। यस बॉस, कुछ इस तरह का है। अब इस फॉर्मूला में पुट करें तो Tn होगा 82 इक्वल टू T1 4 प्लस n माइनस वन D is 3, 82 minus 4 equal to n minus 1 into 3. This is 78 equal to n minus 1 into 3. This is 26, which is n minus 1. This is n equal to 27. This is n equal to 27. ओके, तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हो गए 27। नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स बिटवीन 100 to 1000 which are divisible by 7। ओके, तो हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि 100 डिवाइड बाय 7 will be 13, 14 7 are 98। फोर्टीन पॉइंट something, so remainder is 2। So we can say that कि T1 term is going to be 15 into 7, which is 105। So first term is going to be 105। Similarly, similarly, if you divide 1000 by 7, it is 1 4 2 something something, remainder is 6. Okay, so we can say that Tn term is 142 143 into 7, which is 1001. Okay, n is equal to 143, n1 equal to 50. So total number of terms, numbers of terms, this is 143 minus 15 plus 1, total number of terms 129, I think. Total number of numbers between integer 100 to 1000 which are divisible by, no, it is only 142. Tn plus 1 term is 143. Okay, इसलिए 142, this is 140. 143, it is 8. 128. Okay, moving to next question. Moving to next question. This given the sequence of numbers which satisfy x1 by x1 plus 1, x2 by x2 plus 3, x3 by x3 plus 5. So we have a trick. We will do reciprocal of everything. We'll do reciprocal of everything. This will be x1 plus 1 by x1, x2 plus 3 by x3, x3 plus 5 by x3, dot 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 x 2013 plus 4025. So x 2013. This is 1. plus 1 by x1. This is 1 plus 3 by x2. 1 plus 5 by x3. This will go dot 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 1. This divided by this 1 plus 4025 upon x by 2030. If you consider, we will minus 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 1. All the 1 are minused. We are getting 1 by x1, 2 by x2, it's a 3, okay. 5 by x3 dot 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 4025 by x 2013. If you put it equal to lambda, no, equal to nothing, okay, equal to nothing, we'll do again reciprocal. We'll get x1 by 1, x2 by 3, x3 by 5 dot 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 x 2013 by 4025. Keep it equal to lambda. You can say that x1 is lambda, x2 is 3 lambda, x3 is 5 lambda. This is dot 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 x 2013 is equal to 4025 lambda. If it is 1 3, so overall we can say that it is nothing but 1 3 5 7 dot 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 4025. So there is the gap of 2. D is equal to 2. If you remember, the difference is equal to 2 2 2. So this is what AP. X1 x2 x3 are in what AP. If the common difference of the AP, in which T7 is 9, is list, T7 is 9, T7 is 9, T6 will be 9 minus D, T5 will be 9 minus 2D. If you see 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 2 7. So similarly we can say that T2 is 9 minus 5D, and similarly we can say that T1 is 9 minus 60. Overall it has to be 7. 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 2 7. Now T1, T2, T7. T1 is 9 minus 6D, T2 is 9 minus 5D. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon everyone, okay? This is 9 minus 5D, T7 is 9. So we have already studied quadratic, which we can say that it is 6D minus 9, and this is 5D minus 9. This is 9 into 6 into 5. This is D minus 9 by 6. This is D minus 9 by 5. This is 270. It is D square minus 9 by 5D minus 9 by 60 plus 81 by 30. This is 270. This is D square minus 99 D by 30. This is 99 plus 81 by 30. If you consider a quadratic is minimum when it is minus b by 2a. When it is minus b by 2a, this is positive. So we can say 270 into minus of b, which is 99 by 30, minus b by 2a. A is 1. This is 9 plus 99 into 99 by 2. We can say 100 minus 1, which is 900 minus 9, 891 by 2. This is 4 4 5 5 4 4 5.5. Okay, this is how we find it. Okay, they are saying what is D. So D is what? The value of D for which it is minimum is minus B by 2a. D is equal to minus B by 2a, which is this thing, 99 by 60. This is D. Okay, okay, this is going. Moving to the next. So hello everyone, Raman Bhardwaj, N.R. Krishna Edit, Bhavya Jain. So hello everyone. Now this is the question we have to solve. If arithmetic progression AD terms of an infinite arithmetic progress with first term as A, they are saying first term as A, and common difference is D. This is IIT एडवांस क्वेश्चन आई थिंक, ये IIT एडवांस का क्वेश्चन है, इसको टैग कर देते हैं IIT एडवांस. ओके, तो ये है AP, A1 है, एक अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में A1 है और कॉमन डिफरेंस D है, 3 है. एक AP में A3 है, कॉमन डिफरेंस 5 है. ये AP में फर्स्ट नंबर 5 है, कॉमन डिफरेंस D है. तो तीनों के इंटरसेक्शन में जो AP आएगा उसका फर्स्ट टर्म M रहेगा और कॉमन डिफरेंस M. तो यहाँ से निकालते हैं, तो ये 1 प्लस n-1 इंटू 3, ये एक टर्म हो गया. ये 3 प्लस n-1, m लेते हैं, m-1, इसका mth टर्म इसका nth टर्म बराबर हो जा रहा है. 5 प्लस p-1 इंटू 7. अब ये आ रहा है 3n-2 5m-2 7p-2. ओके, बाई चांस सब -2 ही आ जा रहा है, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं ये 3n इक्वल टू 5m इक्वल टू 7p. -2 सबसे कैंसिल हो गया, तो n को अगर 5 इंटू 7 35 रखते हैं तो m हो जाएगा 3 इंटू 7 21, p हो जाएगा 15। तो अगर हम टी एन टर्म निकाल रहे हैं तो 1 प्लस 35 माइनस 1 इंटू 3 34 3 सा प्लस 1, दिस इज 103 टी एम। ये भी 103 होगा, ये भी 103 होगा और टी पी भी 103 होगा। टी वन डैश टी डबल डैश अलग अलग टर्म है। तो क्या फर्स्ट टर्म हमारा टी 103 आ रहा है? इस नंबर को 5 का मल्टीपल और 7 का मल्टीपल होगा, तो पहला नंबर 103 है। तो एम ए पी एम और एन में पहला टर्म आया 103 और डी डिस्क्रिमिनेंट विल बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 5 7 105। इन सब का एलसीएम होगा विच इज 105। तो एन माइनस एम इज नथिंग बट 2। तो ये एडवांस में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। अब हम लोग चलते हैं सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म। हम लोग चल रहे हैं सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म। तो इसका प्रूफ किया जाएगा। टी एन टर्म है फर्स्ट टर्म विच इज ए एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी। ओके, तो हमें निकालना है एस एन समेशन ऑफ एन टर्म, जो कि ये एन है, टी एन है, एन इक्वल टू 1 टू एन। तो अगर पहला टर्म माने तो ए होगा, दूसरा टर्म माने तो ए प्लस डी होगा, तीसरा टर्म माने तो ए प्लस 2 डी होगा, प्लस डॉट 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 अंतिम का टर्म होगा ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी। अब ये एस एन है, इसको उल्टा तरीके से लिखते ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी। ये एक टर्म हो गया, ए प्लस एन माइनस 2 इंटू डी। इसका समीशन होगा तीसरा से ए प्लस एन माइनस 3 इंटू डी और डॉट 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 लास्ट टर्म का मैचिंग है ए ओनली ए। तो इनको सम कर लिया जाए। तो ये 2 SN होगा और यहाँ पे सम किया जाएगा 2A प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी, इन दोनों का सम। हम एक एरो खींच कर बता दे रहे हैं, इनका सम, इनका सम, इनका सम और इनका सम, इनका सम। तो ये 2a प्लस एन माइनस वन डी हो गया। प्लस करें तो यहाँ फिर से 2a प्लस एन माइनस वन, वन डी, एन माइनस टू, एन माइनस वन इंटू डी हो गया। फिर से देखें तो a का 2a प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी हो गया। डॉट 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 करें, a प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी। तो ये एन बार हो रहा है। 2a प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी, ये 2 SN है। सो SN हो गया n बाई टू, 2a प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी। अगर आप इसको देखें तो ये होगा n बाई टू, ए प्लस ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी। इसको बोल सकते हैं n बाई टू फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म। इसको n बाई टू ए प्लस एल ये भी बोल सकते हैं। तो हमें याद क्या क्या रखना है सर जी? हमें याद क्या क्या रखना है? ये याद रखना है और ये याद रखना है, इनका यूज फ्रीक्वेंटली होगा। और ये जाने कि एस एन माइनस एस एन माइनस वन इज टी एन। एस एन माइनस एस एन माइनस वन इक्वल टू टी एन। ओके, थर्ड टर्म टी थ्री इज 18, टी सेवन इज 30। फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 17 टर्म। हमें S17 को फाइंड करना है। तो अगर T3 देखें तो इसको बोला जा सकता है A प्लस थ्री माइनस वन इंटू डी। इसको बोला जा सकता है ए प्लस 7 - 1 इंटू डी, ए प्लस 2d, ए प्लस 6d। तो ऑन सॉल्विंग ए प्लस 2d इक्वल टू 18, ए प्लस 6d इक्वल टू 30। यहाँ माइनस कर दें, माइनस 4d माइनस 12, d इज इक्वल टू 3। डी 3 के बराबर होगा, तो एस 17 क्या होगा? 17/2, 2a। अगर डी को रखे इस इक्वेशन में तो a will come out to be 12, 2a plus n minus 1 into 3, this is 17/2, this is 24 plus 48, this is 736 into 70. You can calculate this value. Sum of all odd terms between 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 3. So T1 will be 3, Tn will be 999. All odd number. This is even also. So this is 3, 3, 3, 3. 999 will be divisible. In this, what will happen? If you see the sequence, this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. You go to dot 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 999. So if you see 2, 4, multiple of 2, multiple of 2, that means 6. If we will minus number of terms divisible by 3 minus number of terms divisible by 6, is numbers of odd odd divisible by 3. So and 6 is what? So if number divisible by 6 is there, 6, 12, 18, 24, dot, 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 last number will be 6, 6, 6 1 just 6. Before this what will come? 998, 997, 996 will come, 996. So this is what? 6 into 166. So there is n3 is 333 minus 166 is equal to 761. Total number of terms is 167. Okay. Okay. So S and sum is what? S S3 minus S6. So this is what? 3 by 2. First term is 3, last term is 9 and 2. This is 166 by 2, 6 plus 996. This is also 1002, 1002. So we can say that 167 by 2 into 1002. Solve this question and get the answer. Solve this question. Moving to the next question. This is very good question and this will appear in your exam. This will definitely appear in your exam. Okay. Exam level question. This will appear in your exam. Okay. The ratio between the sum of n terms of two APs. Then find the ratio between their 12th term. Find the ratio between their 12th term. So we have Tn upon Tn prime, which is 3n plus 8 whole divided by 7n plus 15. This is Sn, okay. This is Sn dash, okay. This is sum of the ratio of their 12th term. So what will happen? Nth term will come out to be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will be also somewhere n dash 2, 2a prime plus n prime minus 1 into d dash. It will be like this. So this is n only, so this will get cancelled. We have to do n minus 1 and plus 1, which is 11 plus n minus 1 into 3. This is n minus 1 into 7. This is 22. Okay. So if we say T12 by T12 dash, it is A plus 11D. This is A prime plus 11D dash. So this is 2A, meaning A is what? 11 by 2 plus 11. D is what? 3. This is 2A, which is 11 plus 11 into D. D is what? 7. This is 88, 77 by 2. This is 7 by 16. You easily get 7 by 16. Okay. This is the answer. Sum of n terms of a sequence is given by sum of n terms of a sequence is given by S. Sn is given by 3n square minus 4n. Then what is T50? So we know that Sn minus S n minus 1 is equal to Tn. So Sn is what? 3n square minus 4n, 3 n minus 1 whole square, 4 n minus 1, this is 3n square minus 4n minus 3n minus 1 whole square plus 4n minus 1. If you take 3, 1 a plus b, 6n minus 7. So Tn is 6n minus 7, T50 is 300 minus 7, 293. What we did is what? 6 into 50 minus 7, which is 293. We changed the n, we changed n. Which term of the sequence is first negative term? We know that T1 is 2005, T2 is 2000, so we can say D is what? T2 minus T1, which is minus 5. Up we will find Tn, which is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 2005, n is n minus 1, D is minus 5. This should be less than 0. So minimum value of n. So if you divide by 5, we get 401 is plus 1 minus n. So n is bigger than 402. So n equal to 403 is the term when it is negative. Okay, okay. For an AP show this. So this is not more difficult. Tm is A plus m minus 1 into D, T2n plus m a plus 2n plus n minus 1 into t. Add both of them. This is tm 2n plus n. This is 2a plus 2n. We will have eraser for this line. Minus 2 into d. If you take 2 common, it is a plus n plus m minus 1 into d. This is 2 times of t of n plus n. Group. Find the maximum number of the AP. Find the maximum number of AP 40, 38, 36, 34, 32 dot dot dot. Maximum sum of this AP. Okay. First we'll say Tn less than 0. First term which is going to be minimum. And we'll do sum up to there. So it is T1 plus n minus 1 into d should be less than 0. So we find that T1 is 40, T1 is 40, D is equal to 38 minus 40, which is minus 2. So now 40 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is less than 0, implies 42 minus 2n is less than 0, implies n is bigger than 21. So n is 22. So up to n equal to 21, we will have maximum value. At n equal to 20, Tn is less than 0, which is minus 2. So S21 is what? 21 by 2 plus into. First term, first term, last term, 420. If it is known that 16 term of AP, A1, A2, A3 dot dot dot, if it is known that A1, A4, A7, A10, A13, A16 of this, sum of first 16 term, okay. A1 is equal to A4 is equal to A plus 3D, A7 A plus 60, A10, A plus 90, A13, A plus 12, A16, A plus 15D. If you sum everything, again we will have to remove it. If you sum everything, so sum of this A1 plus A4 plus A7 plus A10 plus A13 plus A16 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6A plus 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 45A. 3 common, 2A plus 15D, which is equal to 147. So if we try to see 2A plus 15D, it is 49. S16 is 16 by 2, n by 2, 2A plus 16 minus 1, 15 into D. This is 49. So you can say 8 into 49, 392. So this is IIT advanced. This is good question. JEE means already given. Yes. So try this question. I am giving you some time and then I will solve it. Okay. तब मैं फिर बाद में जाके सॉल्व कर दूंगा. पहले आप लोग सॉल्व करें. A person is to count 4,500 currency notes. Let an denote the number of notes he counts in the nth minute. Okay. So A1 is 5, 150, A2 to A1 to A10 is 150, A10, A11 are in AP with common difference 2. So A1, A2, A3 dot dot. This is equal to A10 equal to 150. Okay. Now A10 is 150, A11 is 150 minus 2, 148. So to count all the notes. So what happened? We are given that Sn. If we count n up to n minute, it is what? N by 2 If we start with 10, we can say 2 into A10 plus n minus 1, b is minus 2. From 18 to up to n, we are going. 18 is first term and we are going up to n. And before that, we have 150 into 9. This is nothing but A1, A2, dot dot A9. Okay. This is A1, A2, A9. Okay. This is equal to 4500. Going further, it is n by 2. 18 is 150. 300 minus 2n plus 2. This is 0. 135 4500. This is n 151 minus n equal to 50 31. We'll go this with this is n square minus 151n plus 3150 equal to 0. So what is n? I think one find n, okay. So total time equal to n plus 9. So find n. Solve this quadratic. Okay, if you want to solve this quadratic, so if you 126, this is not 0. 160. So I think n is 160 and other n will be rejected because it will come into negative zone. This is good question. IIT advanced level. The previous one also IIT advanced level. If 1, 2, 3 are the first term, 1, 3, 5 are the common differences, then S1. S1 is sum of n term is what? 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. S2 is n by 2, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, 2 into 3, n minus 1 into 5. We'll go dot dot sp n by 2, 2 into p plus n minus 1. This is 1357. This will come out to be 2p minus 1. This is summation si, which is s1 s2 up to sp. This is n by 2, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus p plus n minus 1, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 2p minus 1. This is it. If you consider it is n by 2, this is 2. We should know that sum of first and natural number is n plus 1 by 2. Second, sum of first and odd number is p square. So this is nothing but n plus 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 p square. This is n by 2 n square plus n p square minus p square. Now we have some locha here. This is up to p. It will be p. Okay. We have some locha here. हमारे पास कुछ रो चाहिए, पी है ये एन नहीं है। पी पी प्लस वन एन माइनस वन पी स्क्वायर। This is n by 2 p plus np square. This is np by 2 np plus 1. So I think option A is the answer. Going next, we have three questions left. Okay, the interior angle of a polygon, which is a plus d, are in AP. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. So smallest angle A equal to 120 degree, d equal to 5 degree. So what will happen if we consider a polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will happen? This will form a triangle, yes. So this is 360 and this is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 side means n side and into 180 degree minus this 360 degree. You can consider that 100 into n minus 2. This is equal to sum of angles of interior, sum of all interior angles is 180 into n minus 2. So we can say 180 into n minus 2, it is n by 2 120 into 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if you want we can solve this. This is 120n plus n, n minus 1, 5 by 2. This is 180n minus 360. This is 60n minus 360. 5 n square by 2 minus 5 by 2, 120n minus 720. This is 5 n square, 5n. This is 5 n square minus 125 n plus 720. We'll take n out. We have n square minus 25n plus 145 equal to 0. N equal to 9. We will find n. 25 plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2. Solve this, solve this. This is going to be solved in this way only. Okay? This is 144. This is 576. Then this is 49. This is 576. This is 49. This is 16. 9. What will happen if you see 16? Then Tn term will come out to be more than 180. So 9 is correct. If you put 16, you will get somewhere 120 plus 75, which is 195, which will exceed more than 180 degree. So we have this as our answer. A man, a man arranges to pay off a debt of 3600 by 40 annual installment, okay, which forms a arithmetic series. When 30 of the installment are paid, when he dies, leaving one third of his debt unpaid. Find the value of first installment. When 30 of the installments are paid, he dies. One third, meaning two third of 3600 is equal to 30 by 2, 2a plus 30 minus 1 into d. This is one. Second equation, 3600 is equal to 40 by 2, 2a plus 39b. We have two equations. From here we get 120, 240, 80, 160. So 120, 240, 80, 160 is distinct, and from here 180 equal to 2a plus 39a. Now if you subtract this minus this is 20 equal to 10d, d equal to 2. When d is 2, it will imply a is 78, 102, 51. So t1 is equal to a, which is 51. I think this is the last question for the day. The number of terms in an AP is even, okay? So we have t 2n. Number of terms are in AP. Sum of the odd terms. Sum of odd. So will be n by 2. In 2n terms, n terms are odd, which is odd term meaning a. It is like what? A1, A2, A3, A4. If you go further, A to n. So even terms, the sum of odd terms. The odd terms are A1 plus n minus 1 into d. So in odd term, the difference will come out to be 2d, which is equal to 24. Okay, the sum of even terms n by 2 a1 plus d minus 1 into 2d. This is equal to 30. So last term exceed first term by 10.5. Last term is a1 plus 2n minus 1 into d minus a1. This is 2n minus 1 into d, which is 10.5. Okay, this is 21 by 2. Now what will happen is that some of odd terms are these, some of even terms are these. So we have to get something. We have one, two, three, four variables, three variables. So how should we be going? We have multiple variables. Sum of even terms, sum of odd terms. So how should we go? Let me understand the approach. If we take the difference of these two, it is n by 2. This minus this is d. Nd equal to 6. So we can say that Nd equal to 12. This is 2Nd minus d. Nd equal to 12. So d equal to 24 minus 10.5. 13.5. Okay, 13.5. D is 13.5 and will come out to be some different number. Let's solve it in a normal way. We'll solve it using normal way. So number of terms are in AP. The sum of odd terms is n by 2. 2a1 plus n minus 1 into 2d, which is equal to 24. If you go further, n a1 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 24. Sum of even term n by 2. 2 times of a1 plus d plus n minus 1 into 2d equal to 30, which is n a plus d plus n minus 1 into d equal to 30. If you minus s even minus s odd, we'll get n into d equal to 6. Again, we are told that t2n minus t1 is equal to 10.5. This is a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus a equal to 10.5. This is 2 d minus d equal to 10.5. So d will equal to 12 minus 10.5. It is 1.5. Okay, d is 3 by 2. If d is 3 by 2, can we say n d equal to 6 implies n equal to 4? N equal to 4, d equal to 3 by 2. So now n by 2, putting in this equation, n by 2, n by 2 is 4 by 2, 2a1 plus 4 minus 1 into 2 into d is what? 3 by 2 equal to 24, implies 2 2a1 9 equal to 24. This is 2a1 plus 9 equal to 12. a1 is 3 by 2. Now term 13 is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So a1 and d is common. So it is simply nd. which is 6. So we are done with this